Hey Dojo Heroes, every new guitarist runs into the same problem. You've only got one set of eyes but three things to watch. First, your right hand picking the strings. Second, your left hand pressing the notes. And third, the music or tab you're trying to read. Trying to watch all three at once, totally impossible. To beat this challenge, we train the right hand to play automatically. We start with the open strings, no left hand needed, so we can focus on clean, accurate picking. We call this the no-look right hand drill. Before you can play without looking, you'll first get used to the open E, B, and G strings. Now, Coco's going to show you how in 3 easy steps. Step 1. Look straight at your picking hand while you play the exercise. Step 2. Now shift your eyes. Look at the strings near the nut instead.
B. B.
Step 3. Play the same exercise again, but this time, no looking at all. As you keep practicing, your right hand will start to find each string by feel, just like typing on a keyboard without looking. Remember, keep your eyes off your right hand and trust your sense of touch. This is a great warm-up drill, Dojo Heroes. Try it for 3 minutes every day, and soon your eyes will be free to focus on what's coming next.